Okay, welcome back again. If you're liking these videos, please subscribe and we'll do some more. You see, got a nice card there. Nikolai Ryzhenko, that's Wolf's human brother. I think it's a rare. Tybok. Portal Guard. Oh, Careless. Very nice. Playing Rat Vengeance. Fever Emergency. Darian Wallace. Probably on that post. Nice. Phase Matadama. Trial. Plague. That's how you pronounce it. Microbiotic Colony. The Galaxy. Got a nice card to start the game with. Vecmar. She's pretty. And a Space Dock. Very good. So over the past 5 days we've opened 5 packs and we've got a decent haul of cards there to add to my collection. So I think I'll show you what I've got so far in my collection in the next video. So I hope to see you then. Bye.